Welcome everyone to another video of Easy Data Science. We're again looking at the Python programming languages and we're learning about the subtraction function of this programming languages, and it's very simple where you can just type in the number. So uh, for example, you see on these left side here, and with the right you just type in, so we'll say 9 subtract 3. That'll give us our answer, which is 6. And another problem, which we'll go with, be 10 subtract 6. That is 4. And the last one of our examples is going to be 34 subtract 15. That is 19. Yeah, with Python, it's pretty straightforward. You're able to just type in the numbers, but when it comes into using it within a production area, there will be more things that we need to conclude. That'll be featured in later videos, but just as a basic understanding of what you can do within the Python programming languages, something simple of doing, subtraction. All right, that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Everyone have a good day.